Hi, all my sexy over 60 sisters. It's me, Christallin, your proactive, conscious aging lifestyle coach. How you guys doing today? I am joyful in the Lord and in the power of His might. Well, today I do have something even a little bit more different than I did the other day. And actually, if you have been watching me over the last couple of weeks since I started, I said that I was going to cover subjects that just kind of run the gamut of what we have to do to proactively age. So today I'm going to make a salad. But before I get started, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it, and please make some comments, okay, in the comments section. So come on, let's get started. Now, the reason why I'm making a salad today is because I have a history of salad making, okay? I could eat a salad every day for the rest of my life and I would be just fine. And the little, backstory on that is that my mother used to make salad all the time when I was growing up. So I'm just a salad eating person, and there's probably a million different salads that I can make. But today I'm going to make a really simple green salad. And I'm making this one today is because it's a good skin salad. So that brings me to a point that actually beauty and good health have to start on the inside. It's what we take in. We have to make sure we have proper nutrition and a lot of water every day in order to be healthy the way we should be. So I want you to remember that it's not just what we put on the outside. And then you're about to get me wound up about that, okay? Because it's not even just the food that we put on the inside, it's also what we take in as far as cultural things go. What are you watching on Netflix at night? What kind of material are you reading? Are you reading things that build you up as a person or tear you down? Are you watching things that you can learn from, or are you watching the slasher films? You see what I'm saying? All of that goes into making you that beautiful person that you want to be. So that's my little commentary on that, okay? So let's get started. I already cut up a lot of stuff here, but I'm just going to show you, and I have to adjust this. I apologize if I don't do a good job, but you might not see me for a few minutes anyway, okay? Because I have to go down here and see if I can get that right. Okay. That's good. I'll show you what I have here. I have romaine lettuce, I have cucumber, and I have avocado. And that's what's going to be in the salad today. It's going to go here in this plate. Let me see if I can get that right. You guys. How's that? Okay, so you can see. Now, I'm going to show you how I got this cucumber like this. All you do is just take the slicer and you just slice down like that. Can you see that? What I'm doing? Okay, just slice your cucumber like that. Okay, it's kind of a rippled effect. And then you just want to cut some slices. This is like the easiest little meal in the world. And I can have salad all by itself for lunch or dinner. That's how much I like it. If I want it for dinner, I'll just put it in, more ingredients and make it more hearty. And then I just cut it down the middle like that. And I have some over here from last night that I'm going to add this to. That. Okay, cucumber is really high in a lot of water. If you notice, whenever somebody makes some flat belly water or something on Instagram, they always have lemon, cucumber, and then some mint, because these kind of vegetables make you go to the bathroom. Okay, so basically that's for your flat belly water. Is very good. It helps you avoid constipation. It's high in vitamin K. It helps blood clots. It helps your bones. Did you know that? I didn't know that. And then vitamin A in cucumber has many jobs. It helps with our vision. It helps the immune system. and it also helps with reproduction. I definitely didn't know that. Okay, awesome. So that's our mighty cucumber over there. Romaine lettuce. This one is my favorite. When I was younger, I didn't know better, and I used to have iceberg. Iceberg has its place, but I love romaine a lot more. Okay, and this is how I shred mine. And speaking of that, you guys, I have a whole bowl of it right here already cut. You see, I keep my salad fixings cut, so all I have to do is put the things together when I want them. Okay, so that's that romaine lettuce, and I'm just cutting up a little bit more. I try to encourage my husband to eat a lot of salad too. So you know, romaine lettuce is also high in phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium. Also in vitamin C and vitamin K. It's high in folate, and it's a source of beta carotene, which turns into vitamin A in the body. And of course, you know what the vitamin A turns to. Well, actually, that's where we get our retinol, from vitamin A. Okay, and we have avocado. Avocado is high in potassium, folate, and monounsaturated good fats. They're also high in fiber. So now I'm just going to leave those on this cutting board. And you know, I didn't cut the avocado in front of you guys because I don't know how to do that fancy avocado cutting. I just cut mine, and then I cut it up in some chunks, thusly. Okay, wait a minute, thusly. Right? Because I'm not a chef, but I knows what I like. Okay? Okay, so all of these things that I'm making right now are awesome for your skin. And you know, the romaine lettuce only has like about 8 calories in a cup. So, you know, I would be consuming this highly if I were you. One thing that I forgot that I want to get from over here that I'm going to add on here today are pecans. Okay, now pecans are high in calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Did you know that? They're also high in monounsaturated good fats, just like the avocado, and it helps to lower the levels of the LDL cholesterol. A handful of them has 3 grams, and it has, a handful has 3 grams of protein. But they're kind of high calorie, I got to tell you that. And a handful of them actually has 200 calories. So you want to watch out for the pecans. But I'm just going to use these like this. They're already cut up into little chips, you know, but I wanted to have some like that today. So now to compile my salad, I just take out my romaine lettuce like that. I guess I'm going to have a pretty big one because I haven't had lunch yet. You know, it's a snowstorm here today in Michigan. And I went out earlier and I worked out, and I got some grapes and some other things for us to eat. And so now we're going to be in. So I'm probably going to have this, and I may have some soup. So I just add my avocados like that. And I'm going to tell you about my knife, you guys. I don't know if you ever heard of them, but you probably have. I never heard of them till about 3 years ago. Cutco knives. And my husband knew about them. This is Cutco. One of these days, Cutco is going to be a sponsor. Because we have so many of these, and I tell people about them all the time. These knives are awesome. Let me show you one of these other ones. Okay, the thing about the Cutco knives, they give you like a guarantee and everything, and they last forever. Look at that reflection. They sharpen them for you, but although we did buy a sharpener, look, you can see me. Yeah, so these are like the best knives ever, Cutco. Can you see? And they're real expensive, but they last forever. Everybody that you ever talked to who's had a Cutco knife inherited from their great-grandmother or something like that, because they're so awesome. So I'm just going to get a little bit more of this avocado. This was about a half left over from last night, my other salad. I'm telling you, I could eat a salad every single night. All right, now I like to place my cucumbers like that, kind of in a circle. Hallelujah. I'm in a good mood today, you guys. I had a good workout. You know, they closed the gym early at 2 o'clock, so I had to hurry up and get everything done. I did a full body workout in about 30 minutes. No, about 35 minutes, okay? So, yeah, so I feel great. My endorphins are on full blast. So, I'm just going to take, now let me see how much this says. This says, in these pecans, there is 0 cholesterol, 0 sodium, 4 total carbohydrate grams, 3 grams of fiber, 1 sugar gram, and 3 protein grams, okay? And it's 190 calories in a quarter cup, but that's not a quarter cup. That's a little tiny handful, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Anyway, there, now that is looking so good to me. Yes, it is. Yep. And so this is how the green salad looks, just like that. Isn't that beautiful? It's just lovely. So let me just go, I'm forgetting things. What I like on my green salad is lemon pepper. My husband says I put lemon pepper on everything, but he's probably correct because I do. But I just like lemon pepper, okay? So this is my lovely green salad, high in all kind of vitamins and minerals and things that you need to be beautiful from the inside out and to practice your proactive aging. I use this with a light Caesar dressing. I'm back. I use this with a really light Caesar dressing, and it tastes so good and creamy. And I'm not sure, I probably will make some soup to go with this because it's so cold outside. I'm going to turn my, well, I'm going to turn this way and see if you can see. So we're supposed to have about 6 to 12 inches overnight, and so I'll probably be here for the next 2 days, and that's okay with me. I like being at home, and I like coming to talk with you guys and just encourage you with your proactive conscious aging. Please, if you want me to discuss any kind of issues or anything or have any questions, please put them down there in the comment section. I'll be happy to address things. And speaking of addressing, I have some other things coming up, some other videos coming up where I'm going to interview some of my over 60 friends, and we're going to talk about challenges that women face at this time and how those people have overcome those challenges. We'll also have some chit chat and some girl talk and all that kind of stuff that, you know, we like to hear. So please keep coming to my channel, support me. I would appreciate it, and because I have a lot to give. I'm 61 years old and I love getting old, okay? It's wisdom that I've gained and knowledge, and so I'm here to give it to you and help you, okay? 60 is the new 40. You better believe it. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.